golf ball size hail. We gotta get under the trees. Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh! 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 My toe! Go hide under the tree or get in the truck. Oh my goodness. The worst hail I've ever seen. Almost golf ball size hail. There it is. Unbelievable hail. Well, we got to get out of here. It's a nasty storm rolling through. It is now a downpour. Time to go, guys.